Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Looker Studio to build interactive web-style dashboards step by step clearly. Go to the Looker Studio website. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Report from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to choose your data source. Click on Add a data source. Explore the available connectors and select one that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to connect to your chosen data source. Once connected, click Add to Report. Your data will now be available for use in your dashboard. Next, familiarize yourself with the Looker Studio interface. You will see a blank canvas for your dashboard. To add charts, click on the chart icon in the toolbar. Choose the type of chart you want to include. Drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now, choose the data you want to display in the chart. Adjust the data fields in the data panel to tailor it to your needs. You can also customize the chart's appearance. Use the Style panel to change colors, fonts, and sizes. Continue adding additional charts and components as needed. To arrange your components, simply drag them around the canvas. Consider adding filters for interactivity. Click on the Add a Control option and select a filter type. Connect the filter to your charts for dynamic adjustments. Once your dashboard is complete, review it for any adjustments. When satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose your sharing options to control who can view or edit your dashboard. Finally, publish your dashboard to make it accessible to others. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Looker Studio and built your first interactive dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.